In May, the Oklahoma legislature passed some of the strictest abortion laws in the nation. Now, with today's Supreme Court decision, a trigger law goes into effect banning abortion at conception. Trigger laws take place when a legislative body makes a law that can't be enforced unless a key change in federal law occurs.
I think there are 13 states that have some version of trigger laws.
The key change in question, the Supreme Court's decision to overturn Roe versus Wade.
Oklahoma's trigger law is now in effect.
And now some people question what else the Supreme Court could overturn.
Justice Alito writes a majority opinion for 5 justices, and he says abortion is different, and I'm not touching anything else. Justice Thomas writes a special concurrence saying, I agree with everything Justice Alito said, but in addition, I think we should look at all of these other cases.
Oklahoma City University law professor Jeremy Tellman says the right in question is called substantive due process.
That's what gives us the right to privacy and protection for contraception, protection for homosexual sexual acts, and same-sex marriage.
While he doesn't believe that same-sex marriage is in danger anytime soon, he says contraception could face legal problems.
There are already states that have passed laws criminalizing any process that terminates a pregnancy after conception. And as I said before, some forms of contraception do that.
Some abortions are carried out by a pill that has similar effects to contraceptive medications like the morning after pill.
They thin out the uterine lining so that an embryo cannot attach, and that would prevent a pregnancy after conception.
Tellman says that the complexities of this issue could mean lawsuits targeting contraceptives. Now, for those rights to be questioned, they would have to be taken to the Supreme Court first.